at? Bojacks, let's get it. Down in Saratoga with titties on the yacht, ain't talking areola. 2 for 10 purple tops, hot boxing for paranoia, non-opinionated. Please don't ask me how I feel about it. Everything I stand on in these streets, I'm down to kill behind it, die about it. Possibly the first to say I got it honest. Turn the 504 into a block, this shit ain't rocket science. Got this shit down to a T. Bro been posted, did this big. Got power with dope in the street. How you get out doing 3? Still getting hit off on consignment for the duty free. Difference between you and me, how long it take to move a key. My life is what it look like when God favors you. If you know what I made it through, then you can understand how we got the upper hand and how that bubble biz navy blue. You do what you do to get paid, I do what I get paid to do. Can't even count for all the money I done made with Goop. So much dope in this bitch, they fuck around and ready to stoop.
Cars parked slanted, diagonal outside the castle, Ferraris gallop, the bulls dashing, horses.